Baked cheese manicotti is just perfect for a quick and easy weeknight meal. In a large bowl, you combine ricotta cheese, mozzarella cheese, provolone cheese, parmesan cheese, eggs, dried parsley. You could use fresh parsley, and then some salt and pepper. And then in a kettle of boiling water, you cook the pasta until it's just undercooked. It's easier, it holds up better when you stuff the pasta. My box happened to have 14 shells in it. Sometimes I've seen them with 10, but mine happens to have 14. And then in a 9x13 baking dish that's sprayed with oil for easy cleanup, you put 24 ounces of the tomato pasta sauce. And then once the pasta is cool enough to handle, you stuff the pasta tubes with the cheese mixture. Plan in about 2 heaping tablespoons for each pasta shell. I fill one half of the shell first and then flip the shell over and I fill the other half. And then once you get your pasta shell stuffed, you nestle that in the pasta sauce that's in the pan. And you continue to do this until all your filling is gone and all of your pasta is used up. So you put that in there and then you cover that pasta, stuffed pasta that's in the sauce, you cover that with another 24 ounces of sauce. If you used a bigger container, it's half in the bottom and half on top. And then you cook that in an oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 40 minutes until it's hot and bubbly. And then this is really a great meal with a side salad and then some crisp garlic bread. It's a great, easy weeknight meal. We love it at our house.